Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to try something a little different. Tis the season, if you don't know. The holidays are upon us. I'm getting back into my craft room and I've decided today that I wanted to try to do some Christmas cards. You guys are probably super sick of Christmas stuff already. I want to do some Christmas stuff. I have boxes, a few boxes of Christmas, 4 boxes dedicated just to Christmas things. And I decided that I wanted to try to make some Christmassy foil cardstock backgrounds. And believe it or not, I thought I had more, and I probably do. I'll have to dig through some more. Foil cardstock that I have is this here from Recollections. There's 48 sheets. There was 65 pounds. This sheet, which I don't know where it's from, this was actually stuck in here. So we're just going to work with this for today, which that's all we need. I swore I had a lot more though, but anyway. And I think I'm going to try to emboss on it. So I went through my embossing folders. I have this huge box here, and I just went through them all and only found a couple Christmas ones. And I thought, my God, I know I have more. Well, I grabbed one of my boxes that's dedicated to Christmas. Has all Christmas stamps and dies. This is just one of the many. Oh, there's a Halloween one. I didn't do any Halloween this year, Halloween cards. But anyway, I found the embossing folders for Christmas and winter. So, oh, it has stencils. I didn't realize I stashed everything Christmassy in here. Apparently. Go me, way to be organized. And my unorganized stuff is like, where the hell is everything? Okay. So, I found a few out of that box. And I'm going to, we are going to just grab a few and see what's what. I'm going to grab a black piece of cardstock, I think. If I can find one in my stash. So we can see what we're working with here. That's like holly leaves. I think this helps a little bit. This one, you guys can definitely see, is just snowflakes. This is a winter one, so this works all winter long. This one here, that's kind of fallish, which it is fall technically. Does this go with this one? The hollies? Where'd the hollies go? Yes, this goes with this one. Stamp for the hollies. Okay. This one here says fa-la-la-la. Fa-la-la. I don't really like this one. I don't think I've ever used this one. I might have a stamp that goes with that. That's obviously a Christmas tree. This is one of my favorites. I love snowmen. So cute. This one here. This is a thicker one. Snowflake kind of border one. Can you guys see that? More snowflakes. Lots of hollies, which I think will be super pretty on those cards. And then this one I got from Goodwill. I think it was in a pack, and it was 99 cents. Christmas ornaments. So, that's our choices for today. I'm sure I have a lot more. We're not going to use this one. I don't think this one's going to be in the running. I don't know about this one. I don't think so. I don't think the snowflakes or the snowmen are going to be what I'm working with today. I think we might try these three. And I just want to run them through these and see how they turn out. And we'll go from there. Maybe we'll make a card or something out of them in the next video. But anyway, that's what the plan is for today. So let me get my big kick over here, if I can make some room, and we'll figure it out. See you in a second. You guys see all this. Let me put you up higher. Alrighty, move my water out of the way. This in the way. Alright, we're going to start out with this Cuttlebug one from Provo Craft. You can use these in Big Kick. You don't have to necessarily use them in the Cuttlebug. So that's what we're doing. I've never used this before. Like I said, I got it from the Dollar Tree. I have this piece that was just a scrap piece that was sitting in the Recollections one. I don't know the sandwich, so we're going to try out this sandwich and see if it goes through. And it really did go through. I'm surprised, actually. Didn't make me look like an idiot the first time through. Wait till you see. Wait till you see. Wait till you see. Guys, look at that foil paper. That worked out great. Mind you, I have the two sides I have to cut off, but... Oh, I should have done it that way, maybe. Alright, we'll do the next one that way. This is going to be fun. Oh, I'm going to have to go to Michael's and get more. Is this the same color? Yes. Put this in. That's the way it was in. Dumbass. And this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I know this has been done before, but this is, I think, the first time I've done this. To change up my paper. Look at the difference. I think there's different paper, actually, but still. The embossed versus debossed. You guys see that? Oh, what we can do with that. Okay. Alright, that was that one. Let's try different color. Let's do silver. It's kind of a matte silver. Let's not do the little hole in it this time around. So when it embossed to this side, we'll do debossed. I like the debossed side better, I think. Or embossed. I like it, the bumps up. Does that make sense? Bumpies up. I hope. Yes. Guys, look how pretty. We made a whole new paper. I don't like how that side went, but... Yes, 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 yes. Alright, for the last and final one, I wanted to do this Christmas tree, but I don't know. I wish I had green. That's too brassy gold. That's kind of copper. I might... Oh, we got a matte silver. And it's still matte silver. Okay. Alright. I think we're just going to do this gold again. Oh! I don't know where this piece came from. It's like a copper though. Let's just try out. We know it works, so I don't know why I keep trying it. I just... doing what I'm doing. Whatever. All right. Let's try her out. Like I said, guys, it's not going to work because it's off. I didn't think it, I thought it was hanging over more. We used a Cuddle Bug from Provocraft. We used a Sizzix. And we're now using a Doris embossing folder. Oh, I shouldn't have gone over it twice. We got these little wrinkles in the side here. Anyway, we used all 3 of them. They all work in the Big Kick. That's good news. So, that's super cool. Do with it what you will. I like the silver. I like the this one's inside. And this one's on the outside. So, to each his own. To each their own, whatever the saying is. Anyway, guys, we're going to try to put these incorporate them into cards on the next video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.